Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nurhuda binti Muhammad Zul. So for today's video, I'm going to talk about how to bake a simple chocolate cake. What we need is 3 eggs, a cup of sugar, 1/2 buttermilk, half teaspoon baking powder, about a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, and an equal amount of room temperature unsalted butter, a 1/4 teaspoon salt, and a 3/4 cup of flour. First, preheat the oven to a temperature of 350 degrees. Next, the standard pan has to be greased well with cooking spray. This will ensure that the bar does not stick to the pan during the baking process. After that, the eggs, sugar, buttermilk, and some vanilla extract are placed in a large container. Prefer a bowl. A hand mixer is used to blend them well. This form is the wet ingredients. Instructions regarding the butter texture must be adhered to strictly. Adhere to the recipe instructions. Use the wrong butter texture can easily ruin the quality. In most cases, the butter should be at a room temperature, and this can be achieved by setting it out early before starting the ingredients. This will give the butter adequate time to attain room temperature when the time for its use comes. Next, the dry ingredients including flour, baking powder, cocoa powder, and salt are mixed in a different bowl. Stir the texture slowly but continuously until the ingredients are fully mixed. It is at this point the dry continuously until the ingredients are fully mixed. It is at this point that the mixture will be added to the wet mixture. The cook will then need to beat the new mixture on low, and this has to be done until the butter is smooth. The flour should be completely dissolved, and no bits of flour should be visible. By now, the baking process is halfway through. Pour proportionately equal amounts of butter into the pans. The pans need to be greased and floured. Wasting even little bit of mixture is undesired. Hence, the cooking scrap side of the bowl and ensure that all of the butter bits are in the pan. Once this is done, the next step is to place the pan in the oven and allow it to bake for between 30 to 35 minutes. Check on the progress every 5 minutes to ensure the cake does not burn. Test that it is ready to use. Using a toothpick. If the toothpick come out clean with no butter coatings, it is ready. Once this is achieved, bake for even 2 minutes if needed. The cook will then remove the cake from the oven and allow it to cool in pans for about 5 minutes. The next step is to place the piece most preferably on a wire rack so that they can cool completely. By now, we will have become an expert in baking a chocolate block. It is also necessary to know how to bake the other varieties, including vanilla and apple cake. The process is, however, almost similar. The ingredients, ability to carefully monitor the various time element, and of course the desire are all one needs to prepare a sweet cakes. That's all for my video. Thank you.